Hello friends, welcome to my channel Judgment Day. In this channel, we are going to discuss about important judgments of Honorable Supreme Court and also various high courts as well as other subordinate courts. Today, we discuss about an important case where Union government has told Honorable Supreme Court regarding the COVID vaccination drive which is currently happening in India. A foundation by name Ivara Foundation. Ivara Foundation, which is working on behalf of persons with disability. Persons with disability, they are working with the persons with disability, and they filed a petition regarding the impact of vaccination on persons with disability. So, in regarding the same, today, Honorable Supreme Court was told by the Union government that COVID vaccination is not mandatory and it's not also forceful. Like everybody has to take the vaccination, but on their own with their consent. This case title is Ivara Foundation versus Union of India and others. So let us discuss about why the vaccination is going on and what is the impact of vaccination and what is this present situation. As we all know, the world is facing a very severe pandemic, that too in different, already we are in a third wave, and the first two waves have many people, even across the globe, even millions have lost their lives, and billions of, not even billions, trillions of property, trillions of business has been devastated, and even still millions of people are still under quarantine or either hospitalized or they are facing other related issues due to this COVID-19 pandemic. This situation was never seen before. This is once in a century or once in a millennium pandemic. So in regarding this, honorable high court or supreme court has asked the union government what is the condition, or what is the prerequisite, what is the condition of COVID vaccination, whether it's been made mandatory or whether they're vaccinating all the people forcefully or with the consent, and they wanted to make it clear. So in regarding that, union government has submitted its stand, saying that no person can be forcefully vaccinated without consent, has not made carrying vaccine certificate mandatory for any purpose. This is what they made their stand clear to Honorable Supreme Court today. Normally, any vaccination will take around 3 to 5 years. If it's a simple vaccine, it will take nearly 4 to 5 years of vaccine preparation, and also with all field trials, trial one, trial two, and field trials, everything inclusive. Some of the vaccines have taken nearly a decade of preparation time itself. The evolution of vaccine, it took nearly a decade previously. Related to this, as the COVID pandemic was very severe and nearly millions have lost their lives, it was a very war footing situation wherein several governments across the globe worked round the clock on a war footing basis, and they come up with vaccines, different vaccines, and even India government of India also not left behind, and they also started preparing the vaccine for our own countrymen instead of importing at a very high cost, and also don't want to be under the dictate of the vaccine preparing nations or the origin nations. So they have taken a bold step in the evolution or preparation of a vaccine, and they successfully brought it within 1 year. Presently, we have two vaccines which are made in India. One is totally made in India, and another is they're manufacturing here with co-development. So related to that, nearly as on today, nearly a billion people has been vaccinated for first dose, one dose, and nearly 55 to 60 crore people has been vaccinated second dose. The dosage is two doses per every person. And recently, the age group, earlier the vaccination was started for 18 plus till 65, and the present vaccination drive is from 15 to 18 in that age group. That's adolescent or young age group. So, in related to that, government has made it clear that no person can be forcibly vaccinated. So this is what the government had made its stand clear to the Supreme Court. So yes, why this case was brought in related to persons with disability means normally people with disability may be already on some medication, or they are unable to they may not be comply with the COVID vaccination that the government is vaccinating now. So in related to that, they may face health issues once they take these vaccinations, as the field trials might not cover all the age group people with all disabilities and all. So as this vaccine was prepared within a very short span of time, and in order to tackle or in order to fight a COVID syndrome, wherein millions have lost their lives, and there is no other alternative apart from this vaccine till the second wave. So this is what, and nearly court has been informed that around 23,678 doses have been administered to disabled persons, and they have been voluntarily chosen, and not anybody shown any adverse effects of this vaccination. This is what they said, and it's clear, it's been clarified by the union government. So this is what this case tells about. I will repeat the case title again. Ivara Foundation versus Union of India. That's the case title. You can refer to the same on internet, wherein you can find enough material to support that case details. So I request you all to enter your valuable opinions as well as uh, opinions and other comments in the comment sections below. This is all, friends, regarding this case. Uh,